Aura simply leverages all of that and gives you guarantees that you get with other systems like verbal execution. We help you to take some of the tool calls that you might have as function calls, move them out and chuck them into services so that you don't have to, basically to get more speed, to reduce the latency and also the cost. And to give you like tooling to be able to revert things when things go wrong. Obviously, you can only revert so much, and it's domain grounded. So we ground the LLM calls, our execution planning LLM calls, in a specific domain that developers set. And here's basically, it's really simple from a developer's point of view. You just register with Aura. It's you can run it self-hosted yourself, and you just what your service or what your tool does or what your agent does, and tell us if it's revertible, the operation that you want to do or not, and give us an on-revert handler. And you also give us another handler that can handle tasks, and we look after that execution for you. Make sure that what happens, it finishes, and if it doesn't finish, you have full visibility on what went wrong.
It's very important to understand, start with the agent leaderboard. It's in Hugging Face, has been updated. When we have an agent, it's grounded with LLM, and LLM has it in the backend. When we start with an agent, people start with they have a confusion like trade-offs, or a confusion like, is it like cost efficiency, performance, and all these things comes into picture. So you can use this as a bookmark this, and you can use this leaderboard as a handy thing. Depends on, this is again case by case on what your use case, what's the problem you're trying to solve, what's the purpose of your agent, and what it needs. I've seen like people try to bring in a big LLM, which could be done with the small SLM model. So you can go here, you can use these things, and you can get proprietary or open source and all this. And this is pretty, I use it most of the time. So